Put a finger down if you know this trending song. Put a finger down for each song you know. If you put more than 5 fingers down, you're the king or queen of social media trend. Easy mode. Bonus round, put a finger down if you're one of the rare trend experts to like the video and subscribe. Now let's upgrade to normal mode. Put a finger down if you think you keep up with trends better than the first person you see when you click share and more. Now expert mode. Type in the comments how many